Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Here's a braid out with perm rods takedown. So as you can see here, I am actually taking down my hair. I previously stretched my hair, and if you haven't seen my very first video, take the time out to go see my first video so you can see how I stretch my hair with the Q-redo and do a twist out with the perm rods. On this one I did the braid out with the perm rods, so just take a look at it. Right here, I'm taking one of the braids out. So it's a very simple task. What I do is just, pull the style, pull the braid apart with the 3 strands. And then when I go to separate, I just take one of the strands and I just separate it one time, each strand one time. Because you don't want to separate it too much because it starts to generate frizz. So that's what I'm doing here. A note that I wanted to add regarding how I roll my hair on the perm rods, I like to roll under. As you can see at right here, how you see how it's curling under. That's how I like it to be laid in the front, because you don't want to roll your hair going upward, like over the top, because I feel as though that tends to, flip the hair. And if you're trying to wear your hair in a certain style, you might want to just roll it under, or to the back when you're doing the front part anyway. So here's the last perm rod that I'm taking down. You can see more clearly of how I take down my own perm rods than it was in the back. You can see more of how I do it in the front. And right after you take all your perm rods out, you just go ahead and just fluff out your hair with a pick. Do not fluff as much because it will generate frizz. You all know this is my favorite part, laying of the edges. I love Style Factor. Get that edge booster. Get it. It works miracles. And here it is. It's all done. As you can see, it's a little frizzy, a little bit, because I kept messing with it. So like I said, do not keep messing in your hair or it will generate frizz. Thank you all for watching, and be ready for my next video. I will have a vlog coming. Stay tuned.